Hey everyone, it's Wesley, Kelly and Riley. So the Davies family is out in full force and we're actually on our way to a secret waterfall in the TARAWERA forest. However, we do need to get a permit to travel through the TARAWERA forest, and that we get at the Isite Center in Kawerau. All the details will be in the description below with the cost of the permit as well. And yeah, the scenery is absolutely exquisite apparently, and I hope everybody enjoys the video because we really enjoy making them. So yeah, stay tuned for this awesome scenery and feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts on it. Thanks so much for watching and the support. We're at the Isite and it is $10 per ticket or per car to go through the forest. Okay, so we have got our permit, and you need to display it on your window when you're driving through the forest. We've also got a little map as well, just to show you where we go. There is a dirt road for 30 minutes, so yeah, just take that into consideration when you guys are coming here. But yeah, apparently it's worth the drive. Riley, what do you say? Are you ready? So we just got here. It's really clean, and it's apparently a 15-minute walk to the waterfall. So enjoy the scenery. We don't know if this is doing it any justice, but it is so awesome in here. This water again is so blue. It fascinates me every time I'm at a place like this. You think, how can the water be that blue? But it is incredible, absolutely incredible. Definitely worth the 30-minute dirt road drive in a small car. But yeah, it is highly recommended. What a great walk. I mean, look at that. The famous New Zealand ferns. There's some silver ferns in the area as well. It's just incredible.
We went head first into the fire, watch the flames rise higher, love. We were burning so damn bright, just like a shooting star turns into dust. All the fighting, all the crying, reality caught up with us.
So we've made it. Big waterfall there. Let's go check it out.
Until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I gave it all I've got. When all is said and done.
That is the TARAWERA Falls, and there's just a hole in the rock. with the water coming out. It's crazy. It's just Lake Tarawera has a hole in it. It's pretty cool.
We went head first into the waves. We were right there.